In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up an IT service management chatbot using ChatGPT. Let's dive right in. First, start by opening ChatGPT. You'll need to navigate to chat.openai.com, where you can log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, begin by starting a new chat session. This is where you'll be laying the groundwork for your IT support chatbot. Next, you'll define the chatbot's role. It's crucial to give the chatbot a clear purpose, as this will guide its interactions with users. For example, you might want to set it up as an IT service management chatbot. The role of this virtual assistant would be to help employees troubleshoot tech issues, answer frequently asked IT-related questions, and escalate more complex cases to human agents when necessary. This clarity in role definition ensures that the chatbot operates within its intended scope. Once the role is defined, you'll want to feed the chatbot with likely IT support scenarios it might encounter. For instance, you can start with common issues such as password reset requests, slow Wi-Fi connections, guidance on software installations, and how to report a broken device. Creating responses for these scenarios will prepare the chatbot to handle typical inquiries efficiently and provide valuable assistance right from the start. After setting up basic responses, it's time to add escalation rules. This is a critical step to ensure user satisfaction and proper issue resolution. You'll want to craft chatbot replies that politely inform users when an issue is beyond its capabilities and guide them to contact the IT help desk or submit a ticket for further assistance. Clear escalation rules help manage user expectations and direct them to the right support channels seamlessly. Then consider customizing the chatbot responses to reflect your organization's tone and values. Tailoring the response style makes interactions feel personal and aligned with your company culture. Ensure the chatbot mentions key resources like your IT support portal. For example, guiding users to supportmycompany.com when necessary can enhance the overall user experience by providing them with direct access to further resources. Once all the customization is in place, you'll determine where to deploy the chatbot. Popular options include service portals like ServiceNow, Freshservice, or Zendesk. You can also integrate it into your company intranet, website, or collaboration tools like Microsoft Teams or Slack by using ChatGPT connectors. Choosing the right platform depends on where your team is most active and would benefit most from real-time IT support. Last but not least, it's essential to thoroughly test and refine the chatbot. Running test chats with a variety of IT issues will help you fine-tune its performance. Pay attention to the response tone, accuracy, and how well the escalation process flows. Implement adjustments until everything works smoothly, ensuring your chatbot is ready to provide reliable support to your employees. And that's it. By following these steps, you'll have a functional IT service management chatbot that can effectively support your organization. Thanks for watching, and be sure to stay tuned for more helpful tutorials.